Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com coming live with some price action on the binary markets currently 9:31 a.m. March 21st. Hang a second. Okay, I had to pause, make sure I had all my platform stuff running. I'm looking at a call option here at the whole number, looking at this little area here in these two wicks. There we go, making our move, taking this quickly, getting busy early. A lot going on always. 252 to get in, 932, 940 expiry. Trying to make a move up here. Price action's been quite interesting over the past few days. Pretty choppy. I've getting a lot of reports from you guys that price has been choppy. So we're in this thing just below the whole number. Say around here. Let's confirm. 128.98, right around the whole number. I really don't want to be in call options. I still think this thing's going to 127. I just don't know when. This nice wick here is tradable for a call option too if it gets down here. There were some good trades over the course of the night, and I'll show you those. A nice pivot trade here, a nice pivot trade here. I don't know about this one right here too much. This is kind of nice. Look, 129.44, 6 was a trade we took. I don't remember when that was. All these trades are kind of coming together here. But when the price moves into the old trading areas, it tends to work out pretty well. So right now we're in a call option. It is Thursday. NCAA basketball, March Madness starts today, if anyone's interested. It's pretty exciting stuff. And we're just going to keep the thing flowing. Hope everyone's having a great week. I know there's a lot of news out there, so we're going to keep an eye on that. Currently down a couple pips, I would say. Yeah, about 2 pips. I'm looking forward to bounce. We're just getting in the U.S. markets. That's my only concern. Momentum could kick in on the U.S. news or U.S. opening. Let's see what's going on there. Opening down a little bit. Still Cyprus in the forefront. So hopefully we can get through that, and they can strike a deal. And I can see the euro. If they don't strike a deal, the euro is going to go down to 127. That's for sure. But if they do strike a deal, the euro could rally a little bit. So we are in this trade. I'm going to go to 1 minute now. Let me see if my price is good. Yeah, my price is pretty good here. Let's see if it popped into green. It's about to pop into green. There it goes. It's almost break even. All right, so I got a good, pretty good line here formed. It's hard to see a few things, but it's all there. Anyway, make sure you guys are liking and commenting. I appreciate that. Always good to get some comments and likes. Helps with the channel. There's a new look on the channel. I don't know if you guys noticed that yet or paid attention to it, but it's almost like an upgrade, I guess. I have to create a trailer for I don't know. There's all kinds of things you do with your channel to make it more user-friendly. I don't know. Me and YouTube aren't best friends right now, so whatever they want to do, I'm going to do, and I'll just create these videos and then hopefully get some good trade set up. So right now we are in the green, probably by a pip is my guess. Yeah, pip and a half, 2 pips. All right, let it keep going, and we have about 5 minutes to go, so I'm going to pause and come back, and we'll finish this thing up. Okay, guys, we're back here, and we got less than a minute to go. This is the final candle here. It's a 1 minute candle. Price point is 28.97, and it's currently at 29.02. So currently in good shape. Crossed over the whole number, which I liked. Once it got above the whole number, I was thinking, no, this is going to be green all the way. No concerns. Now it's starting to make its move back up. Got to remember where we're coming from. We're just below pivot, so there's really no trend again. So it's going to be choppy, so be careful. Pick your spots. Only take the best trades possible. I like this trade because of the whole number, and once we finish the trade, I'll show you the price point of support from before. People ask about support and resistance. Make sure you guys get the chart setup video if you haven't watched that yet. I got to keep mentioning that. Make sure you watch the chart setup video. It's on the website, or it's on the channel. It's under new traders on the website, and you can find the whole chart setup video. How to get the charts to look just like mine. Pretty simple stuff. You just download a couple of things, put them in the right spots, and you can have pretty simple charts. The purple lines are something I put in for the whole numbers in areas where I've been trading. And right now it's been working out pretty well. So this candle's going to close. I think it did close. Okay, it did close. In at 1.28989, and it closed at 1.29038. So 5-pip winner. Start the day pretty good. It's nice when you can look at the first trade. I'll probably waited about a half hour for this trade. I don't think I waited that long. I was watching price move down, so I just waited for the whole number to come about, and it did come to my attention. So let's go check out the 5 minutes. I'm going to turn off auto scroll here so I can kind of shift over a little bit and go over the course of the night. Last night we saw this. That's lovely. Those are 2 trades we took. It bounced off this one. It came up, busted through, then bounced back down off this one. These were 2 old trade numbers. So remember what I've talked about in the past few days. Our old trades that have worked are good areas where it's going to work again. And that's what happened here. It moved up, failed, and then it moved up again, broke through it, extended, so created a higher high, and then pushed through. But once it broke this plane here, I guess right here, I wasn't really looking for calls at this point. This was another area where it started consolidating on, where we took a trade, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm not exactly sure. So price came down to pivot. It did extend through and then pushed back up. But at this point, it's still a little bit questionable whether to take a trade or not because of this tight range right here. Price movement up here. I don't know if I would have taken a call there either. So again, the chop, you gotta look for bigger swings in the moves. Price did come down to the whole number pretty quick. I mean, it was violently coming down, thrusted through there pretty good on this 1 5-minute candle. So this must have been some kind of news or something. This is a 30 pip candle. So at this point, you're not really looking for call options, guys. You look for the next move or the reversal, which I don't really see. Maybe this wick, this power wick here, coming down to resistance 1. You take the break of this candle, which it did right here, and it moved up. This is old school Forex trading, and you can apply this to any market for that matter. Anytime you have crazy moves to the south side of power, and you see it start to get a little bit drier and drier and drier, and then you see a nice candle like this form, you look for the break of that particular candle. It's better to do it on a longer term time frame, like a 15-minute chart, even a 30-minute chart, where you see like a huge 15-minute candle and a couple more down, maybe flippy floppy candles, but then you see a nice wick and you see the break of this one. Now this was a break here, but you really want to look for like a really nice size wick to make the long move, especially against the trend. Price came up to pivot here. I guess you could take a put there, sure. That's a 30 pip move back up here. I don't know if I would have taken the secondary move here, but it worked. And now we're coming down to the whole number, and now this is looking pretty good. So I'm basing it on this. It's looking pretty good. Actually, it's going to move up into this area, and this could be a good setup for another put option. That's the chop trade. You're talking waves. You're talking the up, the down, the up, the down, the up, the down, the up, the down, the up. It's a constant wave formation. No real big price movements to one direction or the other. So just be careful. I know I'm talking a lot today. I'm just trying to get it all out there. And comment, like, share, tweet. Remember my Twitter. You can get on that. I'm not really super active on it, but enough to maybe find you a trade here and there. Keep an eye on the markets. And check us out on Facebook and the website. I'm working on a new design. Still got a long way to go. And all kinds of things. If you guys have websites or blogs or a YouTube channel, let me know. Contact me. Maybe we could work something out together. Try to help each other. All right? Anyway, 9:45, March 21st, Thursday, March Madness. And we will continue tomorrow, Friday, close out the week with the trade of the day. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com.